Today I'm going to show you how to build your own floating shelves. You will need 2x2 and 1x10 pine, adhesive, screws, stain, a drill, a stud finder, a pin nailer, a miter saw, and a level. First, measure your space and use a stud finder to mark out your studs. Cut your 2x2 to the length of your desired shelves and 3 or 4 smaller pieces at the desired depth of your shelves. Before you put it onto the wall, glue and screw your pieces together with 2 end supports and a center support. You can always add more if you want to or if your shelves are fairly long. Mark your studs on the bracket and screw them into the marks on your wall. Make sure to use your level while you put on your bracket. When they are up, cut your 1x10 pine to the length and the width and attach it with glue and pin nails. Measure the total height of your shelves and cut a front piece and attach it with glue and nails as well. You can fill your pin nail holes with wood fill or leave them for a more rustic look, and then stain it with your color of choice. Stage it and enjoy.